Hello, my name is Jan Hepke. Welcome at the Juki booth at this year's Productronica 2019. Juki is a worldwide operating company for SMT and THT line solutions. As leader in manufacturing innovation, all the topics all around IoT and Industry 4.0 are very important for us. What are the basic requirements of digitalization? There are two major requirements. First of all, the machines of the electronics manufacturing have to be connected and highly automated. And secondly, these machines need to have several intelligent and also integrated functionalities to become really smart. So let's have a look around. So let's speak first about connected. If we speak about connected, it's very important to have a continuous software chain along the overall production line. In our case, we use for the CAD import of the PCB layout the software Valor process preparation, where we have engaged a cooperation with Siemens. The overall data management is done by our Juki software platform, JarNets. JarNets includes the production preparation, for example, with creating of a placement project, but also the supply of the production data to all the machines along the line, and also the data exchange with the ERP and the MES system. For intelligence and analysis issues, we use the software IFS NX from our long-term intelligence partner Kochi-Scan. IFS NX contains the optimal feeder setup and also an optimal line production, but also traceability and the analysis of the production output. JarNets and IFS NX have many functionalities, but they are very easy to use. So let's go to the automated side. If we talk about highly automated, a very good example is our placement solution RS1. It's a very flexible placement machine which perfectly matches the requirements of the European market. That is medium volume but a high mix on products. The reduced changeover times are realized by a wide component range, starting from 0201 metric up to 74 mm square and 50 to 150 mm. You can also auto load feeders here to shorten the loading time of the feeders, and in the next step, in order to get to a really fully automated system, you can also use smart reel or trolley loaders. Another smart system is our tower solution ISM 3600 from our Italian partner Xray. The ISM 3600 is a storage system for SMT and THT components with a high loading capacity and many functions like an MSD control. In order to reach a fully automated inventory control, it's also possible to use some new features like this integrated Xray counting station that you can see here. This Xray counting station automatically counts all the components on the reel. As you could see, or as you could imagine, it's very important to coordinate all the machines along the production line. So complexity management is very important for us. I think one key is standardization to manage this complexity. For example, Juki mainly follows the equipment link standard, ELS, which is also present here at the Productronica booth, but also the IPC Hermes standard. Another advantage of Juki is that we are a full-line supplier, so we can supply the overall production line. And we have, of course, strong partnerships. As full-line supplier, our Juki AOI is also now available on the European market. This AOI is one of the fastest speeds at glass, and it's reached a high precision 3D board visual inspection. This AOI has a 3D sensor system which reached a resolution of 12 million pixels, and it has a test speed of 61 square centimeter per second. So I hope you could get a little insight in our developments of our Juki solutions, and I'm looking forward to talking to you to become a part of the Juki family. Thanks. Bye bye.